Evening, ladies and gents. Just went ahead and got myself some wood. I'm gonna be building a stand for the cab, as well as a some type of support for my engine hoist, so I can remove the cab. I'm gonna be working on the Chevy today, '66 C10. I needed to swap out the engine. It's got a really bad bent after the firewall towards the front. Got myself a 68 chassis and
So I've just built the part of the engine hoist that's going to go through the doors into the cab. It's going to lift the cab up, and I will sit it on this custom-made table that I made out of 2x4s. These are 2x6s, 2x4s, and yeah, screws. I got these screws from Home Depot. They were about probably $7 or something. Comes in quantities of 80. I used most of them. Yep, and this is the part that's going to be lifting up the cab. Alright,